In this video, we are going to show you the phase 1 of our Arduino project. Right now, we have used LED instead of a lock system to represent whether our system is working properly or not. So let's see the video. So now here is the hardware implementation of our Arduino project, and this one is the Arduino code that we have written in Arduino IDE. See the full video for code explanation. We will be explaining the code later on. So now we will be assembling the Bluetooth module, that is HC05, in the breadboard. So when it starts blinking, that means it has been successfully assembled. Now we'll try to connect with the Arduino via Bluetooth. So now as you can see that it is successfully connected. So moving on to testing. When I press lock, the LED glows, and when I press unlock, the LED blows out. Similarly, when I press open, the LED glows, and when I press close, the LED blows out. And now checking it with our speech.
Lock, unlock, open, close.
Now we are going to explain the Arduino code. Here is a variable called incoming value which is initially set to 0. This is the variable for storing. Next comes the function setup. Here we are setting the data rate in bits per second for serial data transmission. Next comes the function loop. If serial.available is greater than 0, then we will enter this if loop, and if it's not, then we will exit this function. Here we are reading the incoming data and storing it into the variable incoming value. Next we are printing the value of incoming value in serial monitor. This is the code for new line. Now if the incoming value is 1, then we will lock the solenoid lock by setting it to high. And if incoming value is equal to 0, then we will unlock the solenoid lock by setting it to low. If incoming value is 4, then we will close the door using servo motor. And if incoming value is 3, then we will open the door using servo motor. As you can see, we have set the motor rotation to 0 when the door is closed, and we have set the motor rotation to 90 degrees when the door is open.